Okay, in this video, we're going to try to find this limit here. So our function is defined by 1 plus a over x to the power bx. X is different from 0, and a and b are real numbers. We want to find the limit of f of x as x goes to infinity. We have this given condition, it gives given answers. So is it a over b, b over a, ab minus ab, or e to the power ab? Okay, so the aim is to learn how to find this limit. Okay, so let's try and evaluate blindly. So here we have 1 plus a over x goes to 1 as x goes to infinity, and bx with b being a real number, it can be infinity or minus infinity. Okay, so but if we assume that it goes to infinity, we have this form, 1 to the power infinity. Okay, and this makes it one of the forms that we can conclude about. Okay, so now we have to do something else about this limit here. Okay, when we have this form, we think about L'Hopital's rule, and to use L'Hopital's rule, we want to transform this function. The first thing that we're going to do, we're going to write this function. So our f is 1 plus a over x to the power bx. We can rewrite it as e to the bx times ln of 1 plus a over x. Okay, now we evaluate. We have this limit here as x goes to infinity is 0, and this one is infinity. Okay, by the way, we assume that x is positive. Okay, x is bigger than 0. So the issue now is we have this undetermined form again. Okay, so we can remove this undetermined form by reworking the function. Okay, so let's forget about the exponential, and let's work this one here. The limit as x goes to infinity of bx times ln of 1 plus x plus 1 over x. So here we see that if x goes to infinity, and assuming that b is positive, we're gonna have plus infinity times 0. We still have this problem. Okay, we can't conclude. But if we do the following, okay, if we just write it this way, over 1 over bx, we have 0 here as x goes to infinity, and we have 0. So we have 0 over 0. And now we can use L'Hopital's rule. Okay, now we're going to find the derivative, so the limit. Okay, the derivative of this one is minus a over x squared over 1 plus a over x, and the bottom one is minus 1 over bx squared. Okay, if we write this one, okay, but by taking care of the x squared, so we're gonna have the limit as x goes to infinity of a times b times 1 over 1 plus a over x. Okay, so now ab is constant. We can take it to the front, and the limit of 1 plus 1 over x is 1. Okay, this limit here is 1. Therefore, this is 1 times ab, and therefore we go back here and we just use the continuity of the exponential to say that the limit of e to bx times 1 plus a over x as x goes to plus infinity is e to ab. Therefore, answer E is the correct one. Okay, so we always try to bring this one to either this form, 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, to be able to apply L'Hopital's rule. Okay, so this answered the quiz. So the answer is here. So it's E to AB, and this ends our video.